For K.V. Puttappa. He is one of the greatest poets of Kannada, and he got the first Jnanapita Award for Kannada literature. And that is part of the quiz. So Kuvempu also wrote another Karnataka song which goes like this: Elladaru iru, entadaru iru, Kannadavagiru. That means wherever you are, whatever you are, be a Kannadiga. That was one of his creations also. And you guys know about Vinoba Bhave, the social worker?
Yes.
Actually, he said about Kannada script. He said about the script, not just the language, even the script is beautiful. What he said is, Vishwa Lipigala Rani. He said Kannada is the Vishwa Lipigala Rani, is the queen of the scriptures. So now we move on to the next item. It is a speech by Jojo. He was very excited about it. He wrote a speech, short speech. It is around, it is very interesting.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಾನಬ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಆಚರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. ಇದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ನಾಡು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಂದರ ಪರ್ವತಗಳು, ನದಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಹಳೆಯ ಕೋಟೆಗಳಿವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಮೈಸೂರು ಪಾಕ್. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಗರ್ವ ಪಡುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Very good, very good. This shows me that Kannada is in safe hands in the next generation. Thank you very much.